I'm John today, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom Iron Man from Iron Man 3. First, you're just going to need a Gold Ninja's Lloyd's hand, gold hands, doesn't matter. Put them on Kai'X's body. Then you're going to need Jack Sparrow's head, because it really looks like Iron Man. Then you're going to need the hair I told you to use for Blacksmith Kai, and just snap it on. And for the helmet, you are going to need this helmet piece, and then it's from Lego Racers. You could use the golden one, but I color it black for my Venom custom. Then you put it on, and that's my custom Iron Man. And now for his jetpack. If I knew stop motion, I would show you right now. And speaking of that, if you know how to do stop motion, please put that in the description. I actually know a few people who I subscribe to on YouTube who know stop motion. Two I remember are, and editing, Glam3 and Sky Does Minecraft, and who else? LG Productions 2000, I think. I don't remember his name because it's so long. So, yeah. If you know how to do stop motion, please put that in the comments. And remember to press that like button and that subscribe button. See ya. Oh, wait. Never mind. I forgot. His jetpack is the same thing as the Samurai X jetpack, except it's just these. Right here. And then you just make him hold on to it. And the body I use is Kai'X. And yeah, you could give him a double-sided face if you want to be scared. He does come with a double-sided face. And if I knew stop motion, I would show you one that would. Oh yeah, another one I know is Artifacts Creation. I would show you a stop motion of first it would start with his legs when he's riding the jetpack. Then it would be his body. Then it would be this part, because in the Avengers it was that part. Then it was this part. So yeah, that's my custom Iron Man, and don't forget the stop motion stuff, and yeah, see ya.